Music from the angry young of the 70s, now on BBC Two, a battle cry for rebellion and defiance. It's the sound of punk.
Tonight on Sounds of the 70s, The Clash, The Buzzcocks, X-Ray Specs, The Damned, The Stranglers, The Jam, Susie and the Banshees, The Undertones, Magazine and Joy Division.
Over the last 12 months, punk rock has become almost a battle cry in British society. For many people, it's a bigger threat to our way of life than Russian communism or hyperinflation, and it certainly generates more popular excitement than either of those.
Clash, clash, clash.
Tonight, we shall be seeing punk rock in action and talking to some of its followers.
What makes The Clash so good, though?
They're the only band that have stuck to their promise, not gone on top of the pops.
One, take one, The Clash.
People in the street and say, have you seen a punk rock concert? And they'll say no. Yeah, they still think it's disgusting. All they've read is in the papers like the Sunny People.
There's people abandoning us that are saying that I'm vile and obscene. Do I look vile and obscene?
Like I'm almost 16 again, with rhyme doing nothing. Like all my friends play cool, don't get angry, count up to 10. Just like I'm 16 again, no one gets so low down right from the start. Everybody gets a showdown right from the heart. But it's all that's on the menu and life. wish you're 16 again. I know you're feeling rather strange when you're 16 again. Things all seem the same. The past is so plain. This future is our future. This time's not a game. The time is 16 again. Always on your own when there's nobody else. Asking myself, would I be someone else? But after all, life's only just a compares. I don't know. Things in life are not for keeps. If it makes you happy, it can make you weak. And if you want some more practical advice, if you can think once, don't think twice. Cause things won't seem so nice. You wish you're 16 again. I know, feeling rather strange when you're 16 again. Things all seem the same. The past is so plain. This future is our future. This time's not a game. The time is 16 again. Always on your own when there's nobody else. Asking myself, would I be someone else? But after all, life's only just a compares. I don't know. Look at me, here I am for your eyes. Mirrors for what you recognize. I know I never will feel what I feel. I don't know if you won't treat me right till I do. The least we'll know is true that I'm 16 again. I know, 16 again, 16 again.
Yammer, 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 boredom, boring, boredom. A few words from the youth of today. The new wave, the punks.
Close up on 3.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
This group call themselves X-Ray Specs.
Cue up.
First, Brian James left, then Rat became a white cat, and Dave became a doctor of madness. Were the damned doomed? No. Yes. No. They're back together. Rat Scabies, Captain Sensible, Dave Vanian, and a new bass player, Alistair Wood. They just made a new album and very kindly consented to join us in the studio tonight to play a selection from it. Ladies and gentlemen, The Damned.
is strange. Maybe it's my toes must be her blade. I don't even care if I'm the dumbass. Don't wanna be a stuff like that on the rest. Ooh, ooh, push it up. Push it up, push it up. Ooh, ooh, push it up. Push it up, push it up. Push it up. Smash it up. Smash it up. Smash it up. Smash it up. You can keep the kiss of mother. Smash it up. And that's a very good day. Smash it up. You can keep the family like us. Smash it up. And you're playing very fast. Smash it up. Find out for much too long. Yeah, we're gonna dance to a different song. Boys, give a shout to my diagram. I'm gonna smash it up to us. Nothing more left. Ooh, ooh, smash it up. Smash it up, smash it up. Ooh, ooh, smash it up. Everybody's smashing things now. Yeah, I said everybody's smashing things now.
And I find what is happening amongst young people now immensely encouraging. I find it quite thrilling, really. And they are doing, as a matter of fact, what young people have always done. I did it in my turn. They are rebelling against the establishment.
Have you all got your Cracker Jack pencils? There, stick them up your arses then. She's just trying to impress us, and she's got the valley fever, but she doesn't make a sound. She says, hanging around. She says, hanging around. Now they caught her early, with her horses still burning. There's a million of them selling, and the buyers can't be found. They're just hanging around. They're just hanging around. He's all around the city, cause he's hard on the ground. He said, hanging around. Hanging around. Hanging around. Hanging around. One of the kids goes up, he's got a monkey on his shoulder. And that monkey's got a grin on with his eyes on the ground. He says, hanging around. Hanging around. I'm moving in the corner, with another all around me. And the sun is getting sticky, but their eyes are on the ground. They're just hanging around. They're just hanging around. He told his mother, Daddy told me what about her. This is all around the city, cause he's high above the ground. He said, hanging around. He said, hanging around. He said, hanging around. Like you, hanging around. Like you, hanging Guildford University never represented Guildford. We high play to elitist audiences, so f*** off.
Here comes that girl again. One of the cutest since I don't know when. But she don't notice me when I pass. She goes with all the guys from out of my class. But that can't stop me from my thinking to myself. She's sure fine, look at me. Well, she's something else.
Hello, this is Something Else from Manchester. And for anyone who doesn't know just what they're in for, I'd better explain. This is a show for people from 16 to 20, though anyone else is more than welcome to watch. And it's been dreamed up and put together by a bunch of 8 of us, all in that age group and all living in the Manchester area. There's a bit of everything in the show and, of course, lots of music. Here's The Jam with Eton Rifles, one of the numbers on their new album.
To the west, I'll get down mine and pray for myself. Or to a smile when they took their part, but you didn't turn up in their artillery room. On that run with his hairs on your chest, what chance have you got? And there's a tie on a crest. Hello, hooray! What a nice day for the Eton Rifles! Eton Rifles! Hello, hooray! The birds of play with the Eton Rifles! Eton Rifles! You were clever when you lit the fuse. Go down the House of Commons in your brand new shoes. Was the revolutionary sympathy? Know where to live with a charming athlete. Hello, hooray! I choose a fight. It's the Eton Rifles! Eton Rifles! Hello, hooray! The street is right with the Eton Rifles! Eton Rifles! It's a catalyst that you turned out to be. I did the dance and you run off every day. Left me standing like a guilty schoolboy. You turned out to be a little dance and you run off every day. Left me standing like a naughty schoolboy. We get out to be and to the worst. To the bloody, I was sick on my shirt. We won a match for a long time wait. Now some of the lights are ready back next week. Hello, hooray, there's a price to pay to your Eton Rifles.
Well, what do you think of the show so far?
This is the third Something Else programme. The first 2 came from Manchester and Birmingham, and they certainly caused a few phone calls to the BBC.
A gentleman from London was very upset. I don't want this sort of thing in my house. To members of the middle classes, this sort of thing is an affront, and we don't like it. My friend here is having a fit. Please keep this kind of thing for the council estates and not into the homes of decent people.
Classical age was the 60s, the Middle Ages, some would say the Dark Ages were the early 70s. Last year's punk rock explosion was the Peasants' Revolt, and today we have a renaissance. The post-punk age is upon us, and Britain is the centre of that world, or so I am told.
Jimmy!
The past year has seen some ruthless pruning among all the new wave hopefuls who started up about 1976. It seems as though some sort of jungle law has prevailed where only the resilient and maybe the most talented have survived. One of those is Howard Devoto, whose band Magazine have matured very quickly into a formidable force.
Is there an automatic right that you have when you bring a record out that it should get played on radio? I mean,
And I think Cliff's latest single is a work of genius, a perfect pop song. But this lot are doing the same kind of thing. They're using melody and rhythm in a hypnotic way, which is what makes a hit single. But because it's unsettling and slightly sinister and gothic, it won't be played, which seems a shame.
Dance, dance, dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Oh, I was called out when the going gets tough. Things you've learned are no longer enough. Well, now it's the sound, it's all we need to know. To synchronize love to the beat of the show. And we could dance. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio.
This is the part of the programme the television people call the payoff. In other words, it's the thank you and good night bit. We hope we've managed to give you something else, and something a bit more like the kind of television we all want to see.
Next week on Sounds of the 70s, Alice Cooper, the New York Dolls, Patti Smith, Iggy Pop, the Ramones, Blondie, Talking Heads, Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, and Bruce Springsteen. Next week on Sounds of the 70s.